So Kirchoff's rules, first rule, junction law. Junction law states that current in equals current out. This is a consequence of conservation of charge. So let us suppose current I1 is going here, I2 is going here. What will be the value of I3?
I1 plus I2.
Yeah. So that's your junction law. I want to find current. So what I'll do is I'll start from here, take a loop, go around like this. In going around, what is happening is I'm jumping off the battery. So I'm going from the negative to the positive terminal. There is an increase in potential. So net change in potential over one complete loop of the circuit is zero. So if I'm writing change in potential for the battery, it is plus V, and then I know this will be positive, this will be negative. Potential difference due to resistance is IR. That should amount to zero. So I equal to V by R. We can also find this by Ohm's law. This is another method. So this was easier. Things can get complicated. So I want you to solve the circuit and find the currents in all the branches. Are you aware of how to solve such questions?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please try using Kirchoff's laws.
I got it as 7 plus 2i by 5, which is I1 is goes to 2 ohm resistors, and I2 is 3i minus 1 by 5, which goes
Okay,
to 3
I1
ohm.
goes to 2 ohm to the right or to the left?
Left side,
And I2?
down side, to 3 ohms. Yes.
So I2 is equal to 3 ohms, you are saying.
So I2 is 3i minus 7 by 5, sir. If I is the total current.
1 second.
Yes, sir.
Hello? No, I didn't catch you on this one. Forget about I is the total current. I1 plus I2 is the total current.
Yes, sir.
Junction law. Then I1, I2. What are the values of I1 and I2 you're getting?
Sir, I1 I got it as 7 plus 2i whole divided by 5, and I2 I got it as 3i minus 7 whole divided by, sorry, plus 2i by 5, 3i minus 7 whole divided by 5.
That will give you the same equation, right? These are both same equations. You can't solve from this. How did you solve it?
Sir, I took the first loop, so the 5 volts and 4 volts. I took that clockwise. I took, sir. I traversed it clockwise. Then I took the
Stop
second
then.
equation,
Yeah.
the
Let's check
bottom loop.
this one first. So plus 5 minus I1 plus I2 I1 minus 2 I1 minus 4 is equal to 0. Is that what you also got?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hello? So let's see if our numbers match or not. They are not matching. You got 7 plus I2. 7 plus 2I by 5. I'm getting, so what you got is this one. I'm getting from this one. Aya, this is my first equation. This is your first equation. What mistake did you make? Can you tell me?
One second.
Give me a minute. Yeah, now tell me what was your mistake.
Sir, I didn't write I equal to I1 plus I2. I took it directly as I, sir.
But then when I replace the value of I, then also it's not coming correct, right? So that's not the correct answer to your question. The question that I asked you. How did you manage to get the wrong equation here? Can you write the equation again for me for the top loop?
Sir,
How will you proceed? Let us suppose that we are starting from here to the right side. Now, how will I proceed in this loop? What will I
plus
write?
5 voltage minus of I1 plus I2 into 1 ohm. Minus 2 I1 minus 4.
Yeah. So you should have gotten using this only, but somehow you end up. And why is there no? Okay, there's an I1 here. So let's see how I1 is coming here. 1 I minus 1. 1 minus I by 2 is I1. This is what you're getting from this. I don't know how you got this. Totally wrong equation. You are very slacky. Don't slack in the class. I'm warning you. Okay, next. Second one. You're taking this one.
The whole loop, sir. I took the whole loop and
So let's start from here. We'll get, tell me what we'll get.
we'll get plus 5 minus I minus 3I by 2 plus 3.
Minus 3I by 2. You mean 3I2.
3I2. Sorry.
Again, you're being sloppy. Be very careful. Focus hard. Okay, next is, so from here you'll get I2 equal to 8 minus I by 3. So again, you have got the wrong equation. How did you manage to get those wrong
No,
equations?
sir.
What did
Like,
you do?
no, this equation I wrote it like the first equation I wrote I as 1 equal to I plus 2I, 2I1, sorry, I plus 2I1. And the second equation I wrote 8 equal to I plus 3I2.
I can't
The,
understand.
no, the first box which you drew, like bottom, that you can write that as 1 equal to I plus 2I1.
Yeah, but you said 7 plus 2I1 by 5.
Yes, I'll tell you what I did.
No, don't tell. What you did was wrong and don't do it again. Okay.
Okay.
This is how you do it. So can you solve the value of I1 and I2 from here?
Yes. Yes, sir.